Hey everybody, how's it going? So, this here is a cassette tape. It is brand new in the packaging. It's got some sticker residue from price stickers that have been on it over the years. But again, it is brand new in the packaging. This is some Star Trek sound effects. So it says that they're sound effects from the original TV soundtrack. I'm not a fan of the show. I've never been able to follow the show, although I've seen a little bit of it here and there. Copyright 67, 68, 69, 78, and 88. Copyright produced Paramount Pictures Corporation, all rights reserved, blah 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 blah. The reason why I picked this up, and I picked this up years ago, like I was still driving the Crown Vic at the time. I remember getting this. I figured, well, it's got to be worth something to somebody, and I was going to put it on eBay. I've got another cassette somewhere that is also unopened. I think it's the Flashdance soundtrack, and it's even got the original Kmart price sticker of $4.44. So, yeah, basically, if there's anybody that wants this, wants to buy this, send me a message here on YouTube, and I'll ship it anywhere in the United States, insured, and well, make me an offer. We'll see where it goes. I'll send it to you, pay for the shipping, as long as it's in the United States. I'm not interested in sending anything to foreign countries, because then the then the shipping is outrageous. Because I would like to get rid of it, and I'm sure it's worth something to some collector. There is, come on, there is a small crack in the case. You can see part of it. Come on, you bugger. Yep, there is a small crack in the case. It runs along the, almost to the corner, up through the, oh, actually, it looks like two cracks on the camera, but it's one crack. It's like between sound, the word SO, sound, 3 letters of sound, SOU, and goes through the A on the part that says star. And then above that, that's just a scratch, it looks like, in this outer plastic. But if anybody wants, oh, is this, nope, I don't know what the hell that is. But if there's anybody that is interested in purchasing this, like I said, send me a message, make me an offer. And I'll be happy to sell it to you. The plan right now is, and I'm sure it'll move, but is to keep it right there for anybody that wants it. So, let me know. And, I think this will be, if I sell that, then this might be an effective way to sell some of the stuff in here. But, anyways, thanks for watching. It's Star Trek sound effects, cassette, original packaging. Alright, take care everybody. Thanks.